Hey G2, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing one right here in my hand, and basically what this is a massage gun that you can use basically anywhere you want to. But you guys obviously want to use it after like a sore day, or if you guys feel sore any part of your body. On the side right here you can see there's some facts about the product itself. But first thing first, let me actually open up the product to show you guys what is inside first. Alright, so when we first open up, you can see that is basically what the inside looks like. So they provide you guys a very nice little case for the actual massager itself. Alright, so right here we have the case, and that's everything inside here. So it definitely is a pretty nice case. You guys definitely get a very nice little handle right here that you can use to carry around. This is two zippers right here, so let's open up and see what the inside looks like. Alright, so when we open up, this is basically what the inside looks like right here. So the first thing as you see in here, they do probably got a cable which is USB to USB-C. So I just want to use this to recharge the product itself. On the top part, they do provide guys a user manual and quick starter guide to teach you guys how to set up the product and everything. And then on the bottom right there, you can see the massage gun right there, and they provide you guys a different massage head. Let's take it all out. So first one we have right here, it is a ball head right here. Next one we have right here is a fork design. Next one we have a bullet design right here. Next one that we have right here is this design right here. If you guys don't know what each one of these massage head is for, they actually provide you guys the information right here. So those are the 4 different massage heads that I provided for you guys. Now let's take a look at the actual massage gun. So right here we have the massage gun. So this is basically what the product looks like right here. You guys can definitely feel the very smooth material that they have right here. Feels really nice. They do provide you guys a warning or safety label right here to tell you guys to not put your finger right here when the product is moving, because you guys probably will hurt yourself. But this is basically what you put in the actual massage head right here, and it's very easy to put it on. All you can do is just insert it through here like this, and it's all set. Right here you can see all the different buttons and everything else. So there's a power button right here, there's a different speed level right there. Right here is where it shows you guys the battery life right here. And the very bottom, that is basically where to plug in the USB-C cable to recharge it. And it's definitely really cool how they give you guys the option of using a USB-C cable instead of the normal charging cables. So that way you can actually use anything to charge it, whether it be like your wall chargers or your power banks. You guys can bring this on the go and use it basically anywhere. So the product itself, they mentioned, is supposed to be super lightweight, so you can bring this with you guys anywhere, whether you guys want to carry like this, or you can use the case that they provided for you guys to carry with you guys anywhere you guys want to. The product itself, it mentioned, is supposed to be really quiet, around like 45 dB, which will test out whether or not that's true in a second as well. In terms of the different speed level, I mentioned there's 3 different speed levels right here. The lowest one is supposed to be 1600, the second one is supposed to be 2200, and the highest one should be around like 28 or 3200, something around that range. And then obviously, like they mentioned, in terms of the battery life on here, you can get around 4 to 12 hours. So if you guys use at the lowest speed level, which is speed level 1, you mostly will get anywhere close to that 12 hours that they mentioned. But if you use it at the maximum speed level, you guys can get around like 4 hours or a little bit more than that. So that's basically all the specs that I want to talk about the product itself. Now let me actually plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge this product first, and then we're going to test out the DB, and then we're going to test the actual product itself out. We want to plug this in the bottom part right here. So if you guys look really carefully, you guys can see that it is charging right now. So I believe it's around 3 out of 4. So you probably want to let that fully charge, but for now I'm just going to continue to test first. So I'm going to unplug this, and then let's test out the dB level first. So I'm going to use my dB tester right now to test out the decibel on here. Alright, so I got my tester right here. Let's turn this on first. So the way how you guys turn it on is by pressing it down and hold it down. Alright, so that's speed level 1. So speed level 1 is around the range of 50, if I can see right there. Let's change it up to speed level 2. So speed level 2 is around like 53. Alright, so speed level 3 is around like 60, if you guys can see it in the test itself. So when I turn it on to speed level 3, I can definitely feel how strong the actual percussion is. It's actually really powerful. And speed level 1 definitely feels pretty strong as well when I actually turned it on, but it's definitely not as strong as speed level 3. But you can see the decibel is very close to what they mentioned, around the 45 range. And if you guys noted, when I turned it on and changed the different speed level, you can see the indicator right here that turns on. So let me show you guys again. So right there. Alright, so now let me actually test it out myself and see how each one feels first. So speed level 1. So speed level 1 definitely feels really powerful. Definitely feels a lot more powerful than a lot of other massage guns that I tried so far. Because usually on speed level 1 it shouldn't be this strong, which is pretty nice. Let me try to press it down a little bit harder and see what happens. So it's definitely really nice. So when I actually press it down really hard, it doesn't stop, which is pretty cool. Because there are a few massage guns where I actually did that and actually would stop. Now let me actually bring up the speed level 2. Alright, speed level 2. Alright, so speed level 2 definitely feels a lot more powerful. I actually like this a lot. I could definitely see how this could be super useful, especially after like a long workout, or if you guys feel really sore from like walking all day or whatever. So obviously if you guys press it really hard, it won't stop either, which is pretty cool. Let's try speed level 3. So this is the most powerful one, if I can hear. Okay, this one's really strong. So if you guys are not used to like the strong percussion or whatever, you guys want to be really careful and probably not use this one yet. I feel like out of all the massage guns that I've tried so far, this one is definitely one of the strongest ones out there so far. It feels really nice, but if you guys are not used to it, then you guys probably don't want to use this one right here. So for speed level 3, you guys definitely don't want to use that if you guys are not used to it. Even for myself, I think level 3 is a little bit too strong for me, so I'll probably work my way up before I use that one right there. And anyways, notice on speed level 3, I didn't use it to push it on myself because I definitely feel how strong that was already, so I didn't want to hurt myself. Whereas speed level 1 and speed level 2, I can definitely feel that it's comfortable where I can actually push it against my body or whatever. But definitely speed level 3, I did not want to do that because it was way too powerful. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we could unboxing and test the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this massage gun in particular is super worth it. Everything about it actually feels really nice. Like the overall build of the massage gun itself, it feels really nice and feels really smooth. And even the display right here looks amazing. It's very simple and it's like spread out. So like this part has its own thing where it shows the battery, and then this part right here has its own thing where it shows you got the speed level. And like I mentioned, it actually uses a USB-C cable, so you can use this to plug it in anywhere. So that way you're not restricted to using like a power adapter or whatever, like a lot of other massage guns out there in the market today. So overall, I would definitely have to say that this product is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to do one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.